Here I have VODAFONE Smart E8 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch it on, just tap on power key and hold it for about a few seconds till you see the logo. And now you can start. So at the very beginning you have to select the language. Just tap on this icon and select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, there's a wide list of languages. So in my case it will be English UK, so the first that was picked. And now just tap on let's go. So let's start the setup process. Now you have to take a look, read and understand the data protection and software updates info. Then you have to tap over here and let them know that you have read and agree to the data protection and software updates. And tap on next. Here you have to enter the SIM card if you have one, but I will skip it for now. And now you can copy your data. If you have an old phone, for example Android device or iPhone, so if you would like to copy your data, just tap on the first icon, and if you would like to set your device as new one, just tap on set up as new. Now you have to get connected to some Wi-Fi, so in my case it's HardReset.Info, and now it's saved and also connected. Now you have to wait, as you can see, a minute or two. So just a short while, your device is checking for updates, checking all information about your device. And now you can sign in to Google, so you can either enter your email address or phone number. In my case it will be email address. So all one at gmail.com. And once it's typed, just tap on next over here. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me enter it here. And when it's typed, just tap on next. So as previously. Now you have to one more time read all terms of service and privacy policy. So if you just click on this icon, terms of service, and pick the one that you would like to read, you can do it. Just come along with all of them. And once you do it, tap on I agree. Just to confirm that you read and you agreed with all the terms of usage. And now you can add the pattern, PIN code, password, but I will choose not now. We can set it up earlier, skip anyway. And you can now add another email account, review additional apps, use your voice to search in OK Google, and also on body detection. You can enable this mode. Let me pick all set. And now you can also improve your accessibility, but I will skip it. You can adjust text size, display size, and also help tips. But I will pick next, as I'm happy with the one that we already see. And now we can pick the home screen. So if it should be a home screen with the biggest icons or the standard one. So the standard one looks like this. I will pick the standard one, and once it's picked, just tap on finished. And that's it. Now you can start using your phone and do whatever you want to with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.